Hi. Today I will be showing you how to make a holiday booking on the Offbeat Holiday Club website using your Offbeat Plus membership. Once you have opened the website, log in with your email address and password. Once signed in, click Explore Now at the top of the page and then click Hotels. You will see a new tab opens. Enter your holiday destination, check-in and check-out dates, number of rooms you will require, and the number of adults and children, plus their age going on holiday. Once done, click the search icon. The website will automatically search for amazing hotels in the area you have selected. Browse the variety of hotels available for you to book. Once you have decided on a hotel you would like to stay at, click Book. Browse the hotel overview, rooms, facilities, policies, location and reviews as you desire. Look through the different rooms available for your dates and the corresponding prices. If applicable, you can add meals to your booking as well. Once you have decided on the room you would like, click the Book button after the room you would like to reserve. Review all your booking details and add in all your relevant details in order to make your booking, such as traveler information and special requirements. Add in your payment and billing information and click Complete Booking. And that's it. Your hotel is booked. Enjoy your holiday.